Hello, are you struggling to speak English at work or you're worried to make mistakes during your job interview? You don't need to worry again because you are in the right place with the right teacher. My name is Chama. I'm TEFL certified with a bachelor degree and 3 years of teaching children and adults. My teaching style is fun, engaging, and interactive. I can help you build your vocabulary, pronunciation, conversational English, and overall English communication skills. In my class, learning is enjoyable, fun, and interactive. I can't wait to meet you to help you achieve all your English goals. See you soon. Bye bye.